This is a Cayenne Turbo Protective Halo Mini with call alert. So if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start as soon as they pop it into gear. It's going to cut out. Also, if they're smart and they try to put it into neutral, restart the car. We'll show you in reverse this time. Pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out, they're unable to drive it away. Start the vehicle up, put the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive that flash, we can drive away, it goes into gear, doesn't stall out. As soon as you leave the vehicle, it's active, with a double flash. So the car's not going anywhere. Pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out. You have to use the code to drive it. Also, if you're taking it for a service, to put it into service mode, you'll pop your code in and hold on the last press. As you see, we've got 1 flash confirming it. We'll keep the button held until we get 5 flashes, and then this becomes a normal vehicle. So when it goes to Porsche, you don't need to worry about handing over your code. We'll let go of the button, turn the vehicle off. You'll know it's normal because when you open the door, no flashes, and you'll be able to start the car and drive it without the code. So Porsche can drive it around their workshop, road test it, whatever they need to do. It's a normal vehicle. When you get it back, ignition on, pop your code in and hold on the last press. This time you're just going to get 1 flash. That turns the system back on. There we go. Open the door. System's active. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini with call alert. If someone attempts to steal the vehicle, pops it into gear, the vehicle cuts out and the phone's going to ring. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.